Many people think lighting is simply about installing lights. But in reality, even with the same LED fixtures, different lighting solutions can create completely different results. Good lighting doesn't just brighten a space, it improves productivity, customer experience, and the overall environment. A professional lighting solution is much more than selecting a fixture. It considers room size, mounting height, illumination levels, color temperature, color rendering, and long-term maintenance costs. For example, around 4,000 Kelvin natural white is ideal for offices, helping reduce eye fatigue and improve focus. Retail spaces use different color temperatures to match different shopping experiences. Industrial environments focus on uniform brightness and reliable long-term performance. Here's an office lighting project. The customer wanted a brighter workspace while minimizing glare. Winway recommended LED panel lights. The even, soft illumination creates a more comfortable working environment and improves the overall office experience. In commercial spaces, lighting does much more than illuminate. The right combination of fixtures highlights products and creates a more engaging shopping experience. For retail brands, lighting becomes part of the brand identity itself. For industrial and public areas, reliability is essential. Winway's tri-proof lights are designed for factories, parking garages, and warehouses. Strict quality control ensures dependable performance for long-term operation. From product development and manufacturing to quality inspection, Winway follows strict quality management standards throughout every step. With over 10 years of experience in commercial LED lighting, we provide not only products, but complete lighting solutions for different projects. If you're looking for a reliable lighting partner, contact Winway today, and let's find the right solution for your next project.